When you register for courses at TSTC, you are automatically given a username and password for all of our TSTC systems. That includes our WebAdvisor system and our Moodle system. To find your username, go to webadvisor.tstc.edu and click Log In the upper left-hand corner. At the login screen, close to the bottom, there will be a link that says, "What's my user ID?" Click on that link. In this window, you will be asked to provide your last name that you used when you registered for courses, and either your Social Security number or your student ID number. You received your student ID number when you registered for classes. You should be able to find that ID number either on your registration statement or your ID card that you received when you registered. Once you have entered that information, click Submit. Your username is typically your first initial, middle initial, and last name. Sometimes, however, this is a common combination of characters. Therefore, our system will randomly assign some numbers at the end. It's usually a good idea to write down your username. Once you have acquired your username, you can then go back to the login screen and log in using your username and your password. Your password will typically be the last 6 digits of your student ID number. Remember, your student ID number can be found on your registration statement or on your ID card that you received when you registered for classes. If your password doesn't work, you can contact our help desk at 1-800-592-8784. TSTC uses the Moodle Learning Management System to host their online courses, hybrid courses, or any content that instructors may use for the face-to-face courses. To access our Moodle system, go to mycourses.tstc.edu. The first screen you will see when you go there will be the login screen. Here you will enter the same username and password that you used for WebAdvisor. You might hear it referred to as your WebAdvisor username and password. Once you get logged into the system, you will need to go to your profile page and add some information. To access your profile page, in the upper right corner, click on your name. You will see a settings block appear on the left side of your page. You might need to scroll down a little to find that block. In the settings block, you will see a link that says Edit Profile. Click that Edit Profile link. Once you are in your Edit Profile window, there are a few pieces of information that you will need to add. The first piece of information is your email address. Please ensure that your email address is a working email address that you check often. If you need to change that email address, you will need to go and check that email address for a verification email before Moodle allows you to do anything else within the system. The next piece of information you need to add is your city of residence. You will also need to change your time zone to America/Chicago. This will ensure that your due dates and times for your assignments, quizzes, and discussions and any other activity within Moodle is synced to the same time as your instructors. Once you have added this information, scroll to the bottom of the Edit Profile window and click Update Profile. Once you have added this information and updated your profile, you can then click Home on the left side to go to your Moodle home screen.